Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about comments. So why we need comments? So comment will help us to check what the code is doing in your program, and it helps the person reading the code more easily. So how to write comments? We have two types of comments. One is single line comments and another one is multi-line comments. So what is single line comments? Let's say I want to say here that here I'm going to actually print the student information. So I'll say single line comment like double slash, and then I will say here that I'm showing here student information, right? Student information. So this is the single line comment. If I run the code, you can see the comment will not show. So this is the single line comment, and now let's go for multi-line comments. So now let's say I want to actually break the line here and here also. So here you can see error. So either you can give here single line comment or you can go with multi-line comments. Let's say you have 15 line of comments. So every single time you will use this double slash, you shouldn't do this, right? So what can we do? Either we can select all of them. Let's say I want to remove the single line comment. So either we can select all of them and then press control, then control plus slash. It will actually make comment for this. It's a shortcut, but on the other hand we can do this is the true way to actually declare multi-line comments. So like this, you have to use a slash and then this sign, and after this where you actually want to end the comment, here you will go and then give this sign and then slash. So you'll use this sign, okay, and all of the line will be comment out. Here if I run the code again, you can see comment is not showing here, right? So this is how you can actually do comment in your code, as like single line comment and multi-line comment. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.